During the computer revolution in the last half of the 20th century, the question arose whether computer programs and video games might enjoy any sort of intellectual property protection. An early answer came in Midway Manufacturing Company versus Artic International Incorporated. Starting in 1980, Midway manufactured two popular arcade video games, Pac-Man and Galaxian. The images, movements, and sounds of each game were encoded in computer language on a microprocessor and read-only memory computer chips and produced on a cathode ray tube display and audio speaker. Midway registered copyrights to the audiovisual portions of each game by submitting to the Copyright Office a videotape of the game being played. Artic sold two allegedly infringing items. The first was a video arcade game called Puckman, which was virtually identical to Pac-Man except for the names assigned to the characters. Artic also sold a speed-up kit, a printed circuit board that could be plugged into Midway's Galaxian game. The speed-up kit increased the speed and number of the enemy characters that the player battled against, making the game harder to play, thus making the games shorter. Players accessed the game by inserting quarters, and Artic marketed the speed-up kit as a means to increase revenues. Midway sued Artic in federal court, claiming that Puckman and the speed-up kit infringed on Midway's copyright. Artic responded that Midway's game computer memory didn't store the actual images displayed on the screen, but instead stored computer code. Therefore, Artic argued, the images weren't fixed, so they weren't copyrightable. Midway moved for a preliminary injunction barring the sale and use of Puckman and the speed-up kit.